Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to use your BullX in Solana. So what is BullX, what you say? So BullX is basically your trading bot for Solana. So here I'm already logged in, but I'll teach you how to log in. So basically right here it's going to redirect you first when you first go to the BullX login site in your Chrome or whatever type of browser you have. And then you'll just have to log in using your Telegram right here, and then it's gonna welcome you right here. So the first thing you'll have to do basically is fund your wallet. So here you can scan the QR code so it will be funded, or you can just copy it and then start funding it. So as you can see here, I don't have Solana, so you can even use other types of networks and even types of coins. So you have Ethereum, BNB, Base, Arbitrum, and Blast. So we're gonna mainly use BullX for Solana. So when you log in, it's gonna show you this. It's gonna show you the new pairs. So here you even have your chains, Pump Vision, Explore, Automation, Portfolio, and Wallet Manager. And there's new things here like airdrop and referral. So you can use BullX for referral so you can earn more even. So basically, I will teach you how to use this in a quick, simple way. So basically here, the new pairs are the ones that had just been launched from Pump.fun or other types of actual liquidity providers. So here, you can filter it even. You can even have your mint disabled, freeze disabled, LP burn, top 10 holders, and at least with one social. So you even have your liquidity with minimum and maximums, volume, market cap, transactions, buy and sells, and there you go. So you even want to hide pump.fun if you want to avoid being rugged really quickly, but you can reset this if you want to. But basically I would go with market cap that is pretty high already and not new ones. So here you also have pump vision. So here pump vision is sections where you will see the new ones that are just graduated or the new creations from pump.fun or other providers. And then next you have your about to graduate. This is just about to migrate into a bigger liquidity pool like Radium. And basically the graduated ones are really like right here. It has good market cap and many much more. So let's just give you a simple tutorial from there. So here, let's just go to about to graduate. So let's just use Spooky right here. So we have a Spooky right here. And right here, the price is already around 0.0003. And the market cap is 38.12. So the liquidity right here is 9k only, very low. And it's about to graduate right here with the B curve of 89%. And it's audit right here. It says caution because let's see, top 10 holders is 41%. So that means this has a high risk of being rug pulled because they're just given to the same wallets basically. So here in the very top left corner, you can change your time frame to 5 minutes and many much more. Next is your bar candles, and this uses trading view, I'm pretty sure, or not sure, but I'm pretty sure this uses trading view for its integration of charts. You have indicators. You want to use your volume, for example, volume, and then let's go with volume right there. You want to hide your trades, you can show your trades right here and where it went and how it's doing. You can see its bubble maps right here. So let's just check if there's a lot of wallets connected like we've said in the audit right there. So let's just check it out, and yes, as you can see, you have 1 2 3 4 large wallets that are connected with this one. So basically I would avoid this already because of that. So that's already a red flag. So here you can see your orders, your order block basically, if you're familiar with the order block. So the market trades are right here, like with time and purchase and its price. Trades are taken right here, holders are right here. You will see that the top positions and the history is right here. Top traders with their PNL and their sold and their bought and their unrealized PNLs right here. Positions taken by yourself will be listed here. History will be right here also. So basically that's it. You just have to buy and sell right here, and then here you can choose the amount of Solana that you want and the gas fees right here and the slippage fee. You can change that of course right here with your buy and sell settings right here. I would just set it to very low ones, and you also have your bribe fee for faster transactions. So here you will see your stats, of course, transactions, sells and buys, and the buy volume. So there you go guys, this is your BullX for Solana.